You leave me notes before you leave, and lipstick on the bathroom mirror. The way you love could part the sea. I'm thankful that you want me, dear. Do you think about how these paths all lead us to somewhere? Do you think about...
Ngayong aming ipinagdiriwang ng may kagalakan ang kaarawan ng aming minamahal, si Doc Irish. Salamat po sa biyaya ng buhay sa kanya.
The way you dress up on a warm night still gives me the shivers. I will confess you to the starlight when we go down to the river.
I would like to warmly welcome you all, and ako po yung lubos din natutuwa dahil kayo po ay nakarating even though it's considered holidays pa rin po and Holy Week. Binigyan niyo po ng oras, lalong-lalo na mag-celebrate kasama po ang aking ina. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat po and enjoy the night po. Yun lamang.
Do you think about where we're living, kids in the front yard? Do you think about traveling and growing old? Put a couple of fences up so dogs don't escape when mailman delivers us a pot of gold. The way you dress up one night still gives me the shivers. I will confess you to the starlight when we go down to the river.
Just like a butterfly in a vibrant garden that changes beautifully, you've spread your wings through life's journey. May life bring you amazing transformations this year. Enjoy every moment. Again, happy birthday po.
Sana po ang lahat ng mga wishes ng mga mahal nyo sa buhay ngayon ay matupad. Happy 50th birthday, our dear Ma'am Irish. May He continue bless you and your family with good health, favors, blessings, and more opportunities to travel the world. Yun lang po. Happy and blessed birthday po ulit.
The way you dress up on a warm night still gives me the shivers. I will confess you to the starlight when we go down to the river. The way you dress up on a warm night still gives me the shivers. Still gives me the shivers.
Opo, at maraming salamat po sa napaka-ganda ninyong ngiti dahil kahit po ang lahat ay stress na, kayo po ang talagang nagiging ilaw ng aming 4th floor before. Maraming salamat po sa inyong buhay.
Yung kindness mo sa amin, saka yung pagiging thoughtful, lagi pong nandoon. Kapag po dumadating ako sa faculty room, nakikita ko kayo yung mga ngiti nyo. Kaya, happy 50th birthday po.
And I'm so overwhelmed and amazed how you've been and how wonderful and great you are.
Ma'am, maraming salamat po sa lahat, sa bawat aral, sa bawat pangaral, sa bawat ngiti at suporta. Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang lahat ng iyon. Kayo po ay mananatili at habang buhay naming dadalhin ang mga natutunan namin sa inyo.
Ma, happy birthday. Hindi ko madalas sabihin tuwing kaarawan nyo. Binibish ko po palagi na happy birthday sa inyo. Yung favorite stuff na regalo ko ay practical namin inisip. Lahat ng gusto nyo nasa isang regalo.
And very proud na ganyan kaganda ang aming ina. Ganong katalino. Di ba po? Beauty and brains, saan pa ba magmamana? Sa nanay! Ayan, just breaking the ice. Yun po, muli, happy birthday, Mama. I love you so much. We love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Doc I. Stay beautiful, stay gorgeous, and fly like a butterfly.
So, happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw na to. I love you so much.
So many benches given up today. So many songs we forgot to play. So many dreams swinging out of the blue. Oh, let it come true. Forever young. I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever? Forever and ever. Forever young.
po talaga sa inyo na nandito ngayon na nakisalo po sa aking napaka-special na celebration of life and love. So maraming salamat po.